Let's talk about the recently launched INFINIX smartphone GT10 Pro, a gaming-centric phone. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 87% screen to body ratio, with approximately 395 ppi pixel density, with 900 nits peak brightness and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 2K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 3 GHz single-core Cortex-A78, plus 2.6 GHz tri-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, paired with Mali G77MC9 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM through Fusion memory technology, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.66 by 75.89 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 187 grams, and the color options Cyber Black, Mirage Silver, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack, and dual speakers with DTS sound, and a USB Type-C charging port, IP53 dust and splash resistant, NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX GT10 Pro has been expected price in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 69,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX GT10 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.